Good morning, children. So we are going to take class 5th lesson, subject science, lesson number 11, our home and environment. So in our last video, we saw different reasons for the homeless of the people. So why people become homeless? So some reasons we learn. A section of our society being homeless is a social problem. It's a big problem. Many people become homeless due to social problems. Okay, that's why the government implements many schemes to provide homes to the homeless people. So some reasons: inadequate income, it's one of the reason of being people homeless. Then unemployment, physical and mental disorders, natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, okay, tsunamis, cyclones. So these are the natural reasons of being people homeless. Then poverty is a big reason of people being homeless. Then lack of affordable housing. These are the various reasons of the people become homeless. Now, we all have a right to clean, potable water, sufficient food, and a safe shelter and education. So this is the social problems. Now we know India is the largest population, and the population is going on increasing and increasing day by day. So population of the world is also increasing all the time. That's why the houses are being built in a large number. A problem of houses are going on increasing, and a lot of people, they required lot of houses to live. They required food in good quantity, large amount of food is required. So due to that, it creates a big problem due to increasing population on the environment. For that, some natural resources have to be used in very great quantity to build their houses. है ना? So population is increasing, lots of people require lot of amount of the thing, daily needs, means a lot amount of food they required, lots of amount of houses they required to live, lot of amount of each and everything that required in more quantity. So the natural resources have to be used in very great quantity to build these houses. You know which natural things are required to build a house? That is, wood is required. So for wood, the people are being cutting the trees. Look, trees cut kar rahe. Water is also, large amount of water is required for construction purposes. So these are the natural resources so that are used in very great quantity to build these houses. They are obtained using the methods. These methods are harmful to the environment and lead to the pollution of air, water, soil, and also cause the noise pollution. For getting these resources, we have to use various methods, but these methods are harmful to the environment. जो methods use करते for getting the things which you are used for the construction, so that methods that creates the water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution also. Okay, so see one by one. Digging up hills for quarrying. हम लोग हिल्स को डिग कर रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए. पूरा जो हिल एरिया होता है रोड बनाने के लिए, जो टेकड़ी की टेकड़ियां, पहाड़ के पहाड़ खोदे जाते हैं, दैट आल्सो गिव्स अ harmful effect on the environment. Then extracting sand from seashores and river beds. कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए आपको पता है कि सैंड की जरूरत होती है. फॉर गेटिंग सैंड, जो पूरे जो रिवर बेड से या सी शोर से वो पूरा खोद के निकालते हैं. है ना? So you know this, we get sand from the river bed, from the seashore. Sand is obtained. Sand के लिए पूरा जो रिवर बेड है वो खोद के निकालते हैं, सी शोर खोद के निकालते हैं. देन एक्सट्रैक्टिंग स्टोन्स एंड अर्थ फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. जो स्टोन्स निकालते हैं वो भी जमीन को खोद के अंदर से निकालते हैं फॉर गेटिंग द थिंग्स. देन ड्रॉइंग out excessive amount of groundwater, so lots of houses, to build a lots of houses, lots of amount of water is required for building the houses. So from where we get that water? From the groundwater. For digging well, bore wells, we take out that groundwater. So that drawing out excessive amount of groundwater, वो भी deplete हो रहा है groundwater day by day. We are having problems of water scarcity. Then felling trees to clear land. So for getting the land, for building of buildings, various, for urbanization, for making cities, for building cities, lots of land, that felling trees to clear the land. जिसमें पूरे जंगल deforestation going on in large quantity for building the house. हाउसेस बिल्डअप करने के लिए लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ जो भी फॉरेस्ट है या डिफॉरेस्टेशन टेकिंग प्लेस. देन फिलिंग अप पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, स्ट्रीम्स, रिवर्स, क्रीक्स एंड लो लाइंग एरियाज टू रिक्लेम लैंड. तो लैंड के लिए फिलिंग पॉन्ड्स को बुझाते हैं या फिर लेक्स को, उसके ऊपर लैंड डेवलप किया जाता है. सो दीज आर द वेरियस रीजंस फॉर गेटिंग द लैंड. So one of the great reason is the deforestation, the cutting of trees in a large amount, and that gives harm to the environment. So deforestation causes harm to the environment. It's a big problem because of growing urbanization. Land which was previously being used for agriculture and similar other purposes is now being used to build roads and to raise settlement. आपने देखा होगा कि जो भी एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड है, अभी सब लोग जो एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड है वो अपनी अपनी जो फार्मर्स है वो बेच रहे फॉर अर्बनाइजेशन, फॉर बिल्डिंग रोड्स, डैम्स एंड फॉर बिल्डिंग द हाउसेस. The agricultural land is converted into non-agricultural land. It's a big problem. अगर agricultural land ही destroy होगी तो हमें खाना कहाँ से मिलेगा? We never grow the grains. Okay, we get grains from the farm, agriculture land. So it is going. So the agricultural land is decreasing due to urbanization, due to building roads, dams, etc. Okay, get it? Then when this leads to the shortage of agriculture land, forest land is used for agriculture also. The trees are felled in a great numbers and forests are reduced. So forests are going to be reduced because of deforestation. You know, forests are very useful natural resource. है ना? We get lots of things from the forest. We get lots of medicinal plants from forest. We get wood from forest. Forest is a doubling of many wild animals as well as birds. Also, it decrease. Forest के क्या करते? The plant roots that holds the water and that also control or prevent the soil erosion. So that is a very much importance of forests are very important to us. But due to this house building, due to this urbanization, due to settlement of the people, the forests are going to be cut and it gives a big impact on the environment. Okay, get it clear? So the energy now, the energy is needed to produce construction material. It is used on a very large scale to prepare bricks from soil, cement from limestone, glass from sand and so on. इसके लिए आपको पता है कि energy is required to build the bricks. Bricks बनाने के लिए एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है, फायर की जरूरत होती है, जो ब्रिक्स बनाते हैं, अगर आपने देखा होगा हाउ टू प्रिपेयर अ ब्रिक्स बनाने के लिए उसको मोल्ड करते हैं ब्रिक्स, और उसको एक आग जला के उसके अंदर भट्टी में जलाते हैं और वो भूनते हैं ब्रिक्स को, उसके बाद भी वो पक्की ब्रिक्स तैयार होती है। तो उसके लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा फायर की या फिर एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है। एनर्जी दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम कोल, है ना, coal, wood, that gives us energy, that also creates the environmental pollution. Also for preparing the cement from limestone, a big amount of energy is or heat is required. Also we get glass from the sand को पिघला के, sand को प्रोसेसिंग करके ग्लास मिलाते हैं, ग्लास ऑब्टेन करते हैं, सो दैट रिक्वायर्ड आल्सो ग्रेट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी, एंड दैट एनर्जी कम फ्रॉम द fossil fuels like coal, natural gas or mineral oil. Okay, so these natural fuels can be used only once, so they are non-renewable resource of the energy. There are the two types of energy, renewable source of energy and non-renewable source of energy. They get consumed when we use them. Coal that consume when we use, then oil, gas that consume when we use. So they are non-renewable resources. Okay, these are non-renewable. Understood? वो हमें फिर से नहीं मिलते हैं। मीन्स ऑयल एक बार हम लोग जला देते हैं, फ्यूल जो कोल है, कोल एक बार जलाते हैं तो फिर से हमें नहीं मिलता, वो पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है। दे नॉट इट अगेन रिप्लेनिश्ड. So these natural fuels can be used only once, like coal, petrol, oil, gas, wood. That we fuels can be used only once. If एक बार हम लोग उसको use कर पाते हैं, they get consumed when we use them. So moreover, burning these fuels lead to air pollution also. If you have seen, जो हम लोग चूल्हा जलाते हैं, कोल जलाते हैं, so that releases the various harmful gases and that creates the pollution. It takes lakhs of years for these sources of energy to form in nature. So coal is obtained, coal takes lots of years to form. So from the nature. That is why it is necessary to bring into use other sources energy such as, so we have to use the natural resources of energy, that is a solar energy, then wind energy, which are available in plenty and which do not cause pollution. That is a wind energy we get from the wind. Solar energy we get from the sun. These are non-exhaustible source of energy. Non-exhaustible means they are renewable. Again, we get from this in nature. Okay, so solar energy is a good quality of energy we get by getting the solar panels. By building the solar panels, we get that energy. So here, these energy are utilized for getting construction, for production of the construction material. We should use this. This energy is non-exhaustible source of energy. Wind energy and solar energy both are non-exhaustible source of energy. Okay, so this is about the environmental pollution, which energy we have to use, how to utilize the non-exhaustible energy, which are non-exhaustible energy. So in our next video, we will learn the remaining portion again. Okay.